National Crime Victims' Rights theme this year is strength, resilience, and justice. I've been a victim advocate now for about 29 years and started out by advocating for myself. I grew up in a violent, sexually abusive home from the time I was 5 to 15.
I know in my case alone, my abuser was someone that I knew, and I knew what they were capable of. And for me to say I need to be protected is something they should have listened to.
Being a survivor of sexual abuse that started at the time that I was 8, and over a 2-year time period, I was failed on multiple occasions. Once I was able to feel like I was in a safe space to come forward.
My abuser was out of jail and I had not been notified, and showed up at a gas station where I was threatening me.
What Marsy's Law means is that we're trying to do for the victim of a crime the same thing that we in our Constitution do for a defendant or a person charged with a crime, and that is to have victims equal with the defendant in the courtroom, having an ability to be represented, to enforce their rights, to be present, to have notice of hearings, to receive information from prosecutors, from police agencies, and have a right, if those rights are violated, a mechanism to enforce them apart from what the prosecutor may do to enforce those rights.
I feel like Marsy's Law will give it some teeth to say, you know, the victim's rights should be as recognized as the defendant's rights.
I believe Marsy's Law is definitely trying to offer dignity and respect to victims.
I know what it's like, and it's been my life's goal to ensure that no one ever would have to go, no one would go through what I went through. And all of the wonderful, beautiful souls that I've worked with over the past 16 years, and it breaks my heart when I see how hard they suffer. And the Marsy's Law Amendment will stop that suffering.